Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the Cornwall Regional Hospital. Now, the latest update is the hospital is more than 60%. Okay, let's just read this part. Minister of Health and Wellness, Dr. the Honorable Christopher Tufton, has announced that the redevelopment of Cornwall Regional Hospital in Montego Bay, St. James has reached a critical milestone with more than 60% of internal works now completed. So we are going to go through an article that gives more information on this. Now, of all the developments taking place in Jamaica, and there are a lot, this is the one that I am the least impressed with. This hospital is taking forever to finish. And when you look at how fast look at the Pinnacle, how fast it's moving, and then look at how slow the Cornwall Regional Hospital is moving. Look at the Marmy Bay development moving at lightning speed. Look at the Unico Hotel. Look at so many developments. Yet this hospital just cannot finish. It's going on for years now. As I said, this is the development that I am the least impressed with in terms of how fast they're moving. And what's so ironic is of all the developments taking place, especially in Western Jamaica, this is the most important one. The Cornwall Regional Hospital is the largest hospital in Western Jamaica. 10 floors. 10 floors. They are actually building a new hospital beside it from scratch. And at the rate that they are moving, chances are that that new hospital will finish before the Cornwall Regional Hospital. So today we're going to give you an update on the project. Now guys, let me know what you think about the speed at which the Cornwall Regional Hospital is being built or redeveloped. Leave your comments in the section below. And if there's a development that is more, tell us what your least impressive development is in Jamaica. To me, it's this one. Guys, leave your pick in the section below. Minister of Health and Wellness, Dr. the Honorable Christopher Tufton, has announced that the redevelopment of Cornwall Regional Hospital in Montego Bay, St. James, has reached a critical milestone with more than 60% of internal works now completed. He provided the update during a tour of the 10 floors of the Taipei institution as part of an assessment of the ongoing large-scale rehabilitation project. Dr. Tufton stated that the project is advancing at a brisk pace with a well-defined path to completion. I am comfortable with what is taking place. Each floor has work taking place on it, and there is no doubt that everything in the building outside of the concrete structure itself is new, he stated. The minister indicated that the scope of works includes new internal framing, wall cladding tailored to accommodate specialized diagnostic equipment, and installation of entirely new piping systems. Dr. Tufton projected that the facility's transformation will become increasingly visible in the coming months, with substantial completion of renovations anticipated by early next year. Some interesting features worth noting are that when completed, the hospital will have 12 new operating theaters, the A&E will be twice the size of the previous one, and a large dietary department to support both this hospital and the Western Children and Adolescent Hospital, outpatient and clinic area that has more cubicles for more doctors and larger waiting areas, he outlined. So what you will end up having is a larger hospital with more beds, operating theaters, more outpatient area, larger pharmacy, bigger storage facilities, bigger maintenance, dietary, and more, the minister added. Dr. Tufton stated that the feedback from hospital staff and the surrounding community has been positive, with a general sense of satisfaction regarding progress of the developments. In the meantime, the Western Children and Adolescent Hospital, also located in Montego Bay, is in its final stages of construction. The 250-bed, 7-story facility is nearing completion, with internal works advancing on ward spaces, windows installations, and critical building systems. Dr. Tufton indicated that work at both hospitals is progressing at a similar pace and is likely to be completed around the same time, an advantage given the shared services between the two institutions, including dietary support. So far, so good. I want to thank the team on the ground, the clinical team, the project management team, and the contractors. We'll continue to monitor and provide an update to the country, he said. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.